Hey, thanks for checking out this video. Just wanted to follow up with a quick summary. Again, this tune is called Gander in the Pratie hole. It's a tune I was taught a few months ago, but I wanted to revisit as I don't think I've ever posted a video on it, and it's a really good tune to practice some triplets. I'm really trying to touch back on some old tunes to enhance my playing technique a little bit. So yeah, this one I picked up for those triplets and hoping they sounded okay. Still a long ways to go with my learning, but I'm going to keep working on it. Also on this video, I wanted to comment on the audio and video quality. Hopefully you'll notice things have improved a little bit. I have some new equipment in play, so I'm trying to get some better quality content out there now. As for my playing, that'll have to come with time. But yeah, I have some fun ideas coming up for some new videos, so stay tuned and be sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and leave any comments if you have suggestions or stuff you want to see. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have a great day.